Hi, good evening. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Axiom Landbase. So today I'm here to discuss a very exciting project, top of the town, signature global car, Titanium, located in Sector 71, SPR, Gurgaon. But before I start, as I always say, I do not represent this builder here. My sessions are just for the training and the knowledge purposes only. So coming back to the project, Titanium, as the name says, represents a new standard of luxury living by Signature Global. Now blending a modern architecture along with the strategic location. So understanding the features and amenities of this project is very crucial. So let's dive right in now. Let me give you the project overview first. यहाँ से देखिए. So let's talk about the location and the connectivity of this Titanium project. Okay, this is situated in the prime area of Sector 71 Gurgaon, and the location, ये जिसकी हम बात कर रहे हैं, offers excellent connectivity by 5 major road networks, including NH8 and Golf Course Road. लोकेशन ही है जो कि इंश्योर करती है easy access to all the part of the Gurgaon, and the most importantly, proximity to all the key landmarks such as top schools, reputed hospitals, IT hubs, and shopping malls make it a highly desirable place to live in. Now let's delve into the detailed features and amenities that make this project stand out. Living spaces, okay. Titanium offers luxurious 3.5 BHK and a 4.5 BHK condominiums, and these units are designed with a generous 3.6 meters floor-to-floor height, giving a sense of openness and a grandeur. Additionally, the expansive balconies with a length of 26 feet and 28 feet provide ample outdoor space to enjoy the view and relax. Sizes की बात करें तो there are 2 sizes available. Tower number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are 4.5 BHK of 3780 square feet, and the tower is 2 to the core. And tower number 7 and 8 are 3.5 BHK of 2780 square feet, and the tower is 3 to the core. Let's talk about the architecture now. The Titanium boasts a biophilic design, which means it integrates nature into the living spaces, promoting a serene environment. Amenities की बात करें, one of the highlights of this project is Sky Garden and the Sky Terrace, offering a panoramic views and a perfect spot for relaxation. और यहाँ पर the rooftop retreat is also another exclusive feature, along with this triple height entrance lobby and a private elevator lobby, adding to the luxury experience. Next part बात करते हैं recreational facilities की इस project की. Now Titanium is equipped with extensive recreation amenities that includes a badminton court, cricket pitch, basketball court, and a tennis court. And for swimming enthusiasts, there are multiple swimming pools, including a heated pool and a kids' water play area. Okay, next is clubhouse and the community spaces. The clubhouse offers a variety of features such as state-of-the-art gym, a spa, fine dining, and outdoor sitting, a mini theater, and an entertainment lounge as well. Now for professionals, guys, there is a dedicated co-working space. And for those who love music and arts, there is an art room and a karaoke, or you can say a jamming room. And इस clubhouse की बात करें, the tentative size अभी के लिए that is around 60,000 square feet. Next part is for the children and the senior citizens. Now this project caters to all age groups with specific areas like a kids indoor play area, pet garden, senior citizen का lounge, और यहाँ पर families can enjoy the picnic areas and the jogging trails as well, ensuring a vibrant and inclusive community life. अब conclude करते हैं. To wrap up, this Titanium project जिसकी हम बात कर रहे हैं offers a combination of prime location, luxury living spaces, and a strong community focus. So guys, I encourage all of you to explore the project brochure in detail, and in case if you have any queries or questions regarding this project, or in case if you want to go for the site visit, do connect with us on the numbers shared in the comments below. Rest for next, this is Sachin from Axiom Landbase signing off. Thank you so much. Thank you everyone.